Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to dieterhorn.de. I'm absolutely delighted that you've clicked on my video. Today I'm presenting another classic to you, the Wagenfeld Bauhaus lamp by Professor Wilhelm Wagenfeld, designed back in 1924. It arrives at your door in such a lovely gift box as this. I've already unpacked it now, just enough so that you can see it. When you unpack it at home, please be careful. This fine piece is made of glass. Importantly, the original is produced by TECNOLUMEN. That's a German company which is based in Bremen. And very importantly too, every lamp is individually numbered down here and also bears the TECNOLUMEN stamp. Here, for example, we have the number 42,536. When you receive it, simply place the shade on top. And then carefully tighten each of the small individual screws. With glass, as I said, always be careful, only tighten them by hand. One more thing that you can actually pick up from our physical shop here, just in case your glass shade should ever break while you're cleaning it, or during a move, you can reorder it from us in the shop. What you see here now is the model WG24. There's also a model which is called the WA24. I'm often asked which one is actually the original. They are all originals, so Professor Wagenfeld actually made several different designs for this lamp. The WAG is distinguished by the fact that you have a glass base here and the shaft is also glass. With the W24, which you can also get from us, that part is nickel-plated metal. And the bridge is also nickel-plated. It has such beautiful details, like pull cord here for switching it on and off. And as I said, an absolute classic, which since 1986 has also been in the Museum of Modern Art in New York. It has absolute classic status and is certainly a lasting investment. So you buy it, set it up, and you can always resell it later, even second hand, at a very good price. Resell it. But then again, why would you want to part with such a beautiful piece? That is the question. So I look forward to hearing from you. Get in touch via email, phone, or visit us at Karlsruher Strasse 91 in Pforzheim. We usually always have the lamp in stock, so we can ship it within 1 or 2 days anywhere in Germany. I look forward to your inquiries and your orders. See you then. Bye.